Hi guys, this is Brian Bennett for CNET Appliances, and we are taking an up-close look at the Zozurushi Fresh Brew Plus Thermal Carafe Coffee Maker. For $190, this coffee machine certainly is on the expensive side, but it does have a few pluses that definitely are selling points. First off, you notice that it has a very big water tank right here. What I like about it is that it is removable, so you can just pull the whole thing up, take it off, hold it underneath your kitchen sink and your tap and just fill it up right there. Or you could just set it on your kitchen countertop and fill it by a pitcher and take it, put it back into the machine. No fuss, no muss, it's pretty easy to do. The other really cool thing is that it has a large thermal carafe. This carafe actually will keep its coffee hot for well over half a day. I'm talking about 13 or more hours at 150 degrees, which is a pretty piping hot cup of coffee. Zozurushi definitely makes some big claims about this coffee machine. It's part of its gourmet line of cooking products. And they also say that it reaches the ideal temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which enables a very flavorful brew, a very nice and rich cup of coffee. The only problem is it takes a very long time to actually brew, which means that the coffee is over-extracted and a little bitter for my taste, and that's something you definitely don't want in a coffee machine that costs this much. The Zozurushi Fresh Brew is definitely a decent coffee machine. I just wish it wasn't as expensive. If I could have gotten this thing for $70, that would maybe convince me to make the purchase, but at $190, it's just extremely expensive. You can buy something from Bonavita, such as the BV1900 TS, that essentially brews extremely delicious coffee for the same price. That's something I would suggest you do. It ultimately is just more enjoyable to use. For more, check out my review of this coffee machine as well as other coffee